In today's cookbook adventure, we are using Everyday Low lectin cookbook. We will try and make some kohlrabi soup. So here we are. I have some leeks. I have cut off the green part. That's what the recipe says. I have some kohlrabi. This is the first time I'll try out something with kohlrabi, so I'm excited. I'll use sweet potato instead of using parsnip because I don't have parsnip at the moment. I have some ginger, I have some mustard and salt, some black pepper. The other thing will be water and olive oil, and some coconut cream, lime juice. I'll show you all that, but first let's chop up our leeks. The next thing will be peeling our kohlrabi, then slicing them. The next thing I'm going to do is cut the sweet potato. Just need a small piece, that's why I'm not choosing the whole thing. Then I peel and I also slice it. For the sweet potato, I'll cut them, the pieces to be a little bit smaller, that they don't take long to cook. Olive oil. So we will saute our leek, the kohlrabi, plus the sweet potato. The recipe says that we saute them until they become fragrant, but you need to make sure you don't brown anything. I'm going to add the ginger and cook for around 2 minutes. We are going to add the salt and the mustard, some black pepper, then you're going to add the water. We will let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the kohlrabi and the sweet potatoes are soft and tender. I think this is okay. Now we are going to blend. We are going to heat up the soup again and add some coconut. What is coconut? What? Coconut cream. You need to check. Oh no, this is. You need to check the book to get the exact measurements of the ingredients. Mix well. After this, once you remove it from the heat, you're supposed to add some miso paste. I don't have any, so I'll just put some lime juice and it will be done. So let us give it around 5 minutes and then our soup will be done. Hey, I won't even add any lime juice. I feel like the only thing that I need to add is some salt. Hey, you're missing out if you've not tried out this recipe. Get the book, Everday Low Lectin Cookbook, and try out this soup, kohlrabi soup. It's wow. Bye for now. Bye for now. Let me enjoy my soup.